A new generation of intelligent sweeping robot with humidifying spray. Functions include sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, and ultraviolet ambient light. One-click start. 3 modes for free selection. For liquids such as clean water and perfume, there is a dedicated water-filling bottle. Nano humidifying spray. Improves air humidity. Makes the skin more moisturized. Equipped with ultraviolet light, one click to start a healthy home life. Integrated sweeping, vacuuming and mopping design. Cleans various small garbage.